Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the calculator handles complex arithmetic. Many scientific models use I or J. Next, switch the mode to complex or rectangular so outputs show a plus by instead of magnitude/angle. Then enter the first expression. Type the real part, press the plus sign, and append I directly or use the dedicated complex entry button. Once done, press Enter to compute. This ensures the device treats I as the imaginary unit rather than a variable or memory label. You now perform operations. Always enclose complex sums in parentheses before multiplying or exponentiating to preserve order of operations. For example, type 1 plus 2i asterisk 3-4i or 1 plus 2i2. When using functions like sqrt, log, or trig, make sure the calculator's complex mode accepts them. Some models return principal values only. Once a result appears, convert to rectangular or polar form with the dedicated key if you need magnitude and angle for interpretation. You finish by reviewing the output. Convert to rectangular or polar to confirm magnitude and angle, since visual checks catch sign errors. If the value looks wrong, clear the entry and retype using explicit parentheses and the correct I or J symbol. Many errors come from missing grouping. Finally, if the calculator still misbehaves, reset complex mode or consult the model's imaginary number conventions. This usually resolves unit misinterpretation or function domain limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.